Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Arabic alphabet with Jabar. And my dear students, today we learn from Ra's over Ra to Ghain's over Gha. My dear students, today is our lecture number 9 and is W number 7. Lecture number 9 and is W number 7. My dear students, in our previous class, we have learned Arabic alphabet with Jabar from Hamza Zabar A to Zal Zabar Za. And today we will learn Arabic alphabet with Jabar from Ra Zabar Ra to Ghain Zabar Gha. So my dear students, let's start. At first look at the board. My dear students, today's topic Arabic alphabet P-H-A-B-A-T, Arabic alphabet with Jabar from Ra Zabar Ra to Ghain Zabar Gha. My dear students, look at the board. I have written in the board only alphabet. We have to put on Jabar on every alphabet. So my dear students, let's start. We know that this alphabet name is Ra. We have to put a Jabar over the Ra. I am putting a Jabar over the Ra. This is Ra Zabar Ra, and we have to pronounce it Ra Zabar Ra. Ra Zabar Ra. Then this is Za. You know that we have to put a Jabar over the Za, and this is Za Zabar Za, Ra Zabar Ra, Za Zabar Za. And my dear students, you know that single Jabar, single J and single Pesh are called Harkat. The pronunciation of Harkat is to be done quickly or fast. In this regard, we have to pronounce it Ra Zabar Ra, Za Zabar Za, Ra Za. Then you know that this alphabet's name is Sin. Now we have to put a Jabar over the Sin. I am putting a Jabar over the Sin. Now Sin Jabar Sa, Sin Jabar Sa. Then this is Shin. We have to put a Jabar over the Shin. Shin Jabar Sha. Shin Jabar Sha. Ra Jabar Ra. Za Jabar Za. Sin Jabar Sa. Shin Jabar Sha. Ra, Za, Sa and Sha. My dear students, then you will write, but then you have to keep at least 2 line blank, 2 line or 1 line as you wish. You can keep 1 line or 2 line blank, then you will read. Okay, then my dear students, look at the board again. This is Swat. We have to put a Jabar over the Swat. Now it is Swat Jabar Swa, Swat Jabar Swa. Now this is Duat. My dear students, look at the board. Ra and Za has same shape, but Za has a drop. Sin and Shin has same shape, but Shin has 3 drops. Swat and Duat has same shape, but Duat has a drop. My dear students, now we have to put a Jabar over the Duat, and this is Duat Jabar Da. Swat Jabar Sa, Dot Jabar Da. And look at the board. To and Zo has same shape. To and Zo, but Zo has a drop. Now I am putting a Jabar over the To. To Jabar To. This is To Jabar To. We have to pronounce To Jabar To, not Ta Jabar Ta. To Jabar To. Now this is Zo. I am putting a Jabar over the Zo. Zo zabar zo. Zo zabar zo. So do to zo. My dear students, look at me. You have to pronounce zo zabar zo like that. Zo zabar zo. Zo zabar zo. Front of the tongue will touch upper two teeth. Zo zabar zo like that. Okay, my dear students. Now ain zabar a and goin zabar go. Now I am putting a zabar over the ain, and this is called ain zabar a. Ain zabar a, and this is goin zabar go, not gain zabar ga. Goin zabar go. Now I am putting a zabar over the goin. You have to pronounce goin zabar go. Goin zabar go. Ain zabar a. Goin zabar go. Okay, my dear students. Now everybody read with me. Ra zabar ra. Za zabar za. Sin zabar sa. Shin zabar sha. Sod zabar so. Dod zabar do. To zabar to. Zo zabar zo. Ain zabar a. Goin zabar go. My dear students, you have to pronounce ain from middle of the throat. Ain zabar a. Ain zabar a. And you have to pronounce goin zabar go. Goin zabar go, not gain zabar ga. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, now look at the board again. Today is our SW number 7, and you will make SW at your home. Arabic alphabet from Ra zabar ra to Goin zabar go. Ra from Ra zabar ra to Goin zabar go. Arabic alphabet with Jabar from Ra zabar ra to Goin zabar go. My dear students, you must submit your SW on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. My dear students, don't forget to submit your SW copy. My dear students, inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.